Beautiful, beautiful rising. Hear the birds. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful rising. My beautiful birds are singing. The rising is here, beautiful souls. The stars, the beautiful, beautiful rising. We are so grateful, so thankful for the beauty of nature. Look at that. Look at the sky. Oh my God, I love it. It's beautiful. We are grateful and thankful for this beauty, this nature, this rising. Grateful, thankful for all the beauty. Grateful, thankful for all the lessons, the beautiful divine guidance that we find in every rising as we embrace the highest and best good for ourselves. I love the sky. I love the rising, the birds, the beauty, the love, the truth that we are, the amazing, beautiful things. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Embrace it. Embrace everything. We never chase anything. We embrace everything. And we embrace this beautiful rising. Absolutely beautiful. The beautiful sky. The harmony. The rhythm of life. The natural flow of life. The natural order. As the birds sing. The beauty of the birds. The beauty of nature. We embrace it. We allow. We love everything because we are one with everything, embracing the beauty of the rising. We are grateful and we are just in so much joy and harmony, the joy and harmony with the natural flow of life. I think I want to try to see if I can get closer to this one bird. It's beautiful. I love it's like singing out my window. The bird actually sings out my window a lot. But the birds singing, the beautiful grounding we have, it's just so natural. It's a natural flow of life. When you're in the natural flow, you are knowing that nature is always our truth. The nature, the beauty of the birds singing, the beautiful rising. The love is who we are. The light and truth is who we are. Here we go. Listen to this. Right here by the birds. This is really pretty. Right here. And they'll be singing. There it goes. Isn't it pretty? Enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So much joy. So much harmony with nature. In joy. In peace. In unity. We're in communion with nature. That beautiful bird was amazing. There he goes again, singing. I love that bird. That bird sings all the time for me. Oh my gosh. This rising is amazing. Embrace your day, beautiful souls. Enjoy, in harmony, in the unity of nature, the natural flow, the natural order. Sending you endless love and blessings on this rising. Embrace your day.